Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to animate peds in Blender for 5M. So, we're going to start off, for me personally, for the base model I use a Jesus ped that I got. And then I like to delete the shirt. I just delete everything that's not necessary. So yeah, you can delete the same stuff that I do. I keep the hands and the head because they're actually pretty useful for when you animate. Alright, so what we're gonna do, so you have your armature, it's already hooked up to the face and hands, and I'm assuming you already know a little bit of animation if you're watching this, but basically you select the armature, then click pose mode, and that will allow you to rotate whatever you want, and it'll let you animate. We're gonna drag this up a little bit, just so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, now, to get started, you have to decide what your animation's gonna be. I'm gonna make what should we do? Maybe I'll just make it to where I raise my arms, right? So basically, you would highlight the thing you want to move, rotate it, and then you would select the opposite, do the same. And then after that, you can you have your animation. Well, actually, okay, ignore that. So what you want to do first is press A to select all, and then press I for insert a keyframe, and then you would do whatever. You would do rotation if you're just rotating, but you can do whatever you're doing. Right? Click rotation. Now the first keyframe that it'll start off with is gonna be that, but then you move the slider to where you would want the next frame to be, and then you start your animation frame, and then you press A, I, rotation. And then I like to, when I'm doing this, I like to go to the first frame, and then right click and press copy pose, and then if I want it to go back down to how it was at the start, I'll move the node over here, press paste pose, and then press A, I, rotation. And then if we move back, that's what the animation looks like. Alright, here's the part where we bring in Solms, which is a tool that you can get. I'm assuming you already have it. Solms Tools. You go into animations, create clip dictionary template, and then you click that. Let's get out of pose mode because that makes this easier. And then you press both of these. The target will be that. Set animations target. Okay. And here, once you click the animation, you can't see anything until you click the Solms thing, where it'll give you this. We're gonna name this animation Raise Hands. And then we'll name this tutorial at NMs. Alright. Then you have that. Copy this name into your hash. You select the action, which should just automatically pop up from when you did the keyframes down there. And then the target should already be set. And then you go to clips, clip, hash. We'll name this raise hands underscore clip. And I'm gonna copy that, paste it into a hash and name. Okay. Here's an important thing. The duration, you would, okay, hold on. Let's go back into pose mode real quick here because I need to see something. Alright, we ended at 70, so you would put the end 70. Alright, now that's 70 keyframes. So what you want to do, you take your calculator and then you type how many frames you have in total, which will be 70 divided by the frames per second you want, which I'll do 60, and then you get a number. You can copy this and then put it in here for your clip. So on. Oh, it's because we're in pose mode. Yep. Click this. Put that there. And then press apply clip to NLA. and then this is the most important part. You click linked animations, and then choose the animation, and it should automatically put that stuff. And then now you're ready to export your CodeWalker XML. I'm just gonna do it into here, and then we'll open RPF Explorer. I'm doing a tutorial. Deafen me. Sorry, I'm in a call with. We're gonna wait for RPF Explorer to open. That is CodeWalker RPF Explorer, if you can see. Yep, we're gonna wait for this to open. I'll cut this part out.
Accesses matters, but it really doesn't.
Unmute his stream.
Obviously, it's a
Alright, now you're gonna go into your mods folder, which not that one. You have to make your own custom folder, or else your game will act like you did something wrong. Anyways, you go into a custom folder that you made. You go into your files and find the animation that you just did, and then you drop it into here. Oh, first you have to click edit mode. Yes. Then you drop this into here, drag it back out to your files, and then you have your tutorial nms.ycd. Okay. So I'm going to make a script template on GitHub so that you guys can use it. But let me go into here and open VS Code and stuff. You can't see what I'm doing right now. Alright. Should have wrench underscore test. Well. Okay, so in your folder, you'll have a stream folder right here, which this will let you. This stream folder is where you drop your YC, so I would drop it in here like this. You don't need to do anything else with that. I'm not gonna have it in here for right now because that's for a different animation that I don't want it. Okay, and then this script should come with this, the dictionary name, and we'll change this just so you don't have to worry about the more complicated scripting. So if we go back to Blender, we have tutorial at nms, which is the name of our animation dictionary. So we would name this tutorial at nms, and then instead of referencing the animation that you did here, you want to reference the clip, which is raise hands underscore clip. So you would put raise hands underscore clip. I can't drag this down. Hold on. Alt enter. No. Yeah, raise hands underscore clip. And then that's all you're going to do for that. I'm going to copy this so I can give it to you guys in GitHub. And then basically all you'll have to do in game is type /play my anim, and you'll be able to see your anim. That's about it.